Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between gas metal arc welding and flux-cored arc welding. Gas metal arc welding is one arc welding process where the electric arc is established between a consumable wire electrode and the base metals. The gas metal arc welding electrode is solid wire type that is wound in the form of a spool. Flux-cored arc welding is another arc welding process where electric arc is established between a consumable tubular electrode and the base metals. Flux-cored arc welding electrode is hollow in the form of a tube, where the core contains appropriate flux. So, let's look into the basic differences between gas metal arc welding and flux-cored arc welding in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Gas metal arc welding employs a solid wire type electrode with diameter of 2 to 5 mm, whereas flux-cored arc welding employs a hollow tubular electrode with diameter of 0.9 to 3.2 mm. Number 2. Based on the volume of the filler metal, gas metal arc welding electrode is cheaper, whereas, for same volume of filler metal, flux-cored arc welding electrode is costlier. Number 3. No flux is present within or outside the electrode in gas metal arc welding, whereas, flux exists within the core of the tubular electrode in flux-cored arc welding. Number 4. In gas metal arc welding, welding zone is shielded by active or inert gas that is supplied from external cylinders, whereas, in flux-cored arc welding, the flux present inside the electrode disintegrates automatically during welding to provide necessary shielding. No shielding gas is supplied separately. Number 5. In gas metal arc welding, due to the absence of solid flux, slag does not form on the weld metal after the completion of welding, whereas, in flux-cored arc welding, flux ingredients produce slag that floats on the molten weld bead and remains as slag coat after solidification. Number 6. In gas metal arc welding, no additional step is required for the removal of the slag layer from the welded joint, whereas, in flux-cored arc welding, removing the slag cover from the weld metal requires additional step. This is particularly crucial for multi-pass welding. Number 7. In gas metal arc welding, the active shielding gas, such as carbon dioxide, can add or take out alloying elements into the weld metal, whereas, in flux-cored arc welding, slag ingredients can add or put chemical elements into the weld metal. Number 8. Gas metal arc welding, especially MIG welding, can be used for joining a wide variety of metals and alloys, whereas, flux-cored arc welding is predominantly used for joining ferrous metals. Number 9. Gas metal arc welding offers relatively lower penetration of the weld metal, whereas, flux-cored arc welding offers higher depth of penetration. Number 10. Fume does not form in gas metal arc welding process owing to the absence of flux, whereas, in flux-cored arc welding, disintegration of the flux produces excessive fumes. Number 11. Visibility is better in gas metal arc welding, which is immensely helpful in maintaining the welding quality, whereas, owing to fume, visibility of the weld bead during flux-cored arc welding drops, which, in turn, makes it difficult to oversee welding process by welder. And, difference number 12. Shielding gas supplying accessories such as gas cylinder, hose, regulators, etc. are essential for gas metal arc welding process, whereas, due to self-shielding, such accessories are not desired in flux-cored arc welding.